sweetheart friends, it's Doris at DF Designs. I want to make up for my black cell activator that didn't work the other day. So I have got a new cell activator, and I also got, thanks to, I think her name is Julie Cutts, I got a little fan blower. It's a barbecue fan blower. It's not as loud as a hair dryer, and hopefully this will blow better. So I'm going to probably speed this up because it does take a while, and I don't want to you know, bore you with everything. So without further ado, let's get this show on the road. think I'm going to call this one a success too. I got a lot of the lacing in the cells. I'll bring them up for a close-up in a minute. Just trying to fix a little bit of these corners. Okay. Okay, let me move this one over because I don't want to drip on it while the other one's up in the air. Okay, this one, I didn't get so much of the lacing except for one area, so I'm not sure what I did wrong. I like that right there. I'm trying not to drip on the other one, so if I'm not putting the whole thing under the camera, that's why. Okay, let me put this guy down over here. Now, still need to do the bottom. Oops, sorry about the glare. I got those little measles right down here in the bottom in the black, but what can I do, right? You know. So, I will try to add a couple of close-ups at the end. So, I think it all depends on the brand of paint on some of the stuff. So, the cell activator, it depends on, it has to be the good stuff, which is the Amsterdam. a little bit more expensive, but you don't use a lot of it, okay? That half a cup was just a half a teaspoon of the paint and 2 tablespoons of the Floetrol. So, I mean, get the good stuff, everybody. So tell me what you think down in the comments. Did my black cell activator work this time? Let me know. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I appreciate all my subscribers. Y'all are awesome. Okay. You know, I go live every Tuesday. Starting on January 20th, I will be going live every night for 20 days. So it's 20 lives in 20 days to celebrate 2020, and it starts on January 20th. So that ought to help you remember with all those 20s in there. So I love the fluid arts right out of you guys. Bye for now.